Alrighty, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome, everyone on YouTube here. We are in another live stream session here for London or waiting London opening, and it is a Thursday. As always, have some setups ready, and this GJ setup here is looking very likely here. So we're gonna scale in here. It's looking like a nice 2 TP setup here, but I'm gonna go for the one to one here, and let's get the trade idea rolling here. So looking for GJ to push above these previous wick highs here, and then looking to sell off right to the downside here. So let's see, about 25 pips here. I think, yeah, we'll keep it a fresh 25. And yes, good morning to everyone. Oh wow, this is really pushing fast here. So again, we got a lot of action rolling here. New 50-minute candle coming up as well. So 25 pips both ways. What can we do? 210. Can we do that? So GJ sell stops at what would this be right here? 179. Gonna do 230. Okay, let's do 230. 179. 230. Alrighty. Okay. So now it's a new 50-minute candle. Looking for a push above. And again, above these previous wicks here on the left. Looking for a strong push. 230. Where's 230? Oh, wow. Look at that push from GJ. Nope. Still feels going to push above first. Wow. What a strong push there. Would not like to miss this setup. Wow. Still going to keep this trade idea listed here just in case. I do feel, again, GJ can break above these previous wick highs here. That's 79,480. $178,990. Oh wow, look at GJ go here. It's tapping the 5-minute EMA right now. But wow, a few pips away from getting tapped in here, and it just look at it go. Wow, 16 pips right there. All right, well, it's a new 50-minute candle. I was expecting a push above here, a slight push. I mean, I wasn't even expecting many pips here. Wasn't looking for many pips. Maybe what, another 2.5, 3 pips, and could have got this entry. Man. Look at it go. It's unfortunate. But if there's a rebound here, I think it'll come right back down here. So TP, again, 25 pips both ways. And yes, good morning to everyone. Again, as always, right off the hour candle here, we always get, ranges forming here and solid ranges. It is the hour before London opening. All right, can we get a pushback above that level? Again, not pushing above here. So just going to do patient here. Again, still feel this could be a push above. Waiting for that wick above before entering these sell stops. But again, if it does push all the way down, we're going to have to look for the reversal, or here use the cat as well here. It's pushing up strong right there. But again, focus on the GJ setup today. All right, new 5-minute candle right here. See what happens there. All right, new 5-minute candle. All right, let's see. Come on, GJ. Slight push above. Again, it is tapping the 5-minute EMA there. Alrighty, let's see. Does it come back up? Does it go down? Wow, look at that. Look at that push right there. Wow. Off a few pips here. Could have captured this move. All right, let's see. We're expecting a push above one once more before the drop here. Patiently waiting here. All right, here we go. All right, here's coming back. Let's see. There's a 5-minute EMA hold up here. Let's see. Nice push. Let's go, GJ. Keep coming back up. Let's go. I mean, what a nice push, though, nonetheless. It was a nice, 20 pips, or at least from the 17 pips from the entry. Wow. But here it comes. Let's go. And still felt it was strong enough. Wow, look at that push. And now, definitely, I'm looking for a break above before it coming back down here. Let's go. Come on, DJ. DJ really moving fast. Yep. Wow, look at that push. Wow. All right. So haven't placed these sell stops yet, but got the nice move up here, back up. Now looking for a break above here. You know, want to reach at least somewhere over here, right here, before I commit to the sell stops here. Okay. Here we go. Yep. It's really rushing here. Wow. What a push. All right, come on, GJ. A little bit more right here. Here's a push. Here's a push. We got what, a minute left before the new 5 minute 5 minute opening here. Okay, new 5 minute candle comes right about now. Let's see what happens. All right, no top wick. Again, looking for that push above, at least to this level right here, so I can consider these sell stops. Let's go, GJ. All right, still moving up. Alrighty, I think we're gonna get the push here. We got 3 minutes left before the 30-minute new 30-minute candle, and again, I'm looking for that push above here. Now, do we have to wait for the new 30-minute candle? I think we may have to wait for the new 30-minute candle to push above this level before I can go ahead and enter these sell stops. And I guess we'll see if, these get entered again and activated. We'll see if the winning streak continues. So, not a single trade lost this week, in the mentorship, Zoom streams, or YouTube here. So it's a Thursday now. Let's see. See what happens. All right, so 2 minutes left. I think if GJ will push above here, it will be with the new 30-minute candle. Of course, if it does not, it's going to come right back down here. And of course, then the trade would be missed. All right, guys, it's dropping right back down to the 5-minute EMA. And it's going to have to be patient here. Does it rebound one more time? I mean, it is in this consolidation zone, but again, too small to trade here. Yep. 12, 13, 14 pips. It's not worth it. Alrighty. Is my risk to reward always 1-to-1? No, it is not. If you are a part of the membership, you'll see that I do send out swing ranges that are off stream. And sometimes we do catch 1-to-2s as well, occasionally as well. And why am I going against my trade? I'm not sure what that means. And appreciate the kind words. All right, here's a new 30-minute candle. Still hasn't done much here. All right, it is pushing down here, guys. So I think we may have not gotten out of this. Again, the 5-minute candle still is closed above that EMA here. So I'm going to have to wait on and see what happens here. It is pushing down here. Let's see. Is it strong enough? Again, the 30-minute even, open above this EMA. Again, really consolidating at this level right now. All right. 25 pips. Oh, I think this got moved right here. Okay. $7.80. Yep, we're good. All right. Again, another 5-minute EMA rejection here. Looking for the push up again. It's a new 30-minute candle here. Look at that push. Come on. Can we get one nice push above here? Come on. Come on, DJ. Let's get this done here. Nice push. Nice push. There you go. Nice. Again, I've been patiently waiting to place this order here. Finally, it's gotten above the entry level. Here it comes. Here it comes. Nice push. Again, did mention that the new 30-minute candle might be the one that gets over that range level here. Yep. Yeah, the 5-minute EMA definitely has held up And again, good sign, because again, if it does come back again, this EMA is going to be definitely weakened, as it got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive taps, right? And if it does push back down, I mean, it definitely, will be weaker and may not be able to hold off the price once more. Alrighty, come on, one more push now. Definitely, I mean, even the top end of the range here, look how much it held up here without a significant push above. I mean, this was the closest one above, which is less than a pip above. And this time I think we can certainly get a push above this level here. And once that, price does reach here, if it does reach there, it's about 7.5 pips, and it's perfect, I think, placement to place the sell stops once it gets there. Come on, DJ. Okay, another new 5-minute candle here. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5-minute candles. We got another one coming up in less than a minute here. Could this maybe the one that pushes above? Here it comes. Okay. Again, still have not entered these sell stops. Here's a push. New 5-minute candle here. Again, about to place this order here. Just about to. Come on. Let's get that push going. I think this one might be it. Come on, DJ. One strong push above there. Come on, DJ. All right, here it comes. Come on, DJ. Let's go. It's got to push above here. Let's go. Man, that range level is really strong here. So that's a good sign. I'm respecting that level, but here it comes. Come on, one more push. One more push. Certainly can get there now. Get one more push. Come on, DJ. Here's that push. Okay. Still waiting here. Still waiting here. I need one more push above here. Can I get it? I believe I can. I believe I can. Yep. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and place it. Place the sell stops. Yep. Sell stops have been placed. Got the push where I needed it. And now I'm okay if this hits because, again, followed all my rules. It got to that area and waiting to be tapped in here now. Let's see what happens. All right, just got tapped in, guys. Just got tapped in. A beautiful push right back down. Respected that level. Broke above that area. Exactly at the area pretty much. Got that push. And look at that push down here now. Certainly if it comes down now, we could see that EMA being broken here. And price, breaking below that level. And closing below that level. Here it comes. But a beautiful rejection right there. Again, I'm anticipating a strong bearish candle here. Strong bearish candle. So came right back into drawdown here. Kind of hovering right above the break-even level. Let's see, does it come right back down? We got a new 5-minute candle here. New 5-minute candle. Let's see. Nice push. What is my greatest losing streak? So let's just speak about, from the time that I've been doing the live streams, right? Because again, everything's on record. I think the most we had is maybe 3 in a row, losing 3 in a row. And that one maybe only happened twice over the course of almost 4 months. Right. So again, we do experience a higher win rate with this strategy because again, I have a lot of safety measures in place. And so the way I secure the sell stops and buy stops, as you just seen, how we enter the sell stops here, it's again very strategic, very methodical, very calculated, and because of that, and following the rules strictly, I don't allow myself to enter too early, and once it does tap, keeping all the confluences in mind, it definitely gets into more profit, territory than drawdown territory. And we secure a lot of wins that way. And again, many of them go beyond the 1-to-1 as well. And if you've been here long enough, you'll definitely, be able to share your story as well. Right. So stick around here long enough and you'll realize what the actual win rate is for yourself if you also take the setups while I trade live here. So I think that's the best way to measure what the actual win rate is. If you can also test it for yourself, whether you test it on a demo account, a different account, doesn't matter, or just straight from an observation and see what the actual win rate is for yourself using the same exact entries listed here. So we got a bounce. We didn't get a bounce off the 5-minute EMA. It just flew right above that. Didn't expect that here. And again, it reached this level again just once more. And let's see. So we got a new 5-minute. This is a new 5-minute candle here. Now we got a 15-minute close coming up. Again, this is the highest wick amongst, this level right here that GJ has respected over and over here. Can we get it right back down here? That is a good question. We're going to have to wait and find out here. Right, so again, it's a comfortable 25 pip stop loss. That's why I feel satisfied with the setup, and it did reach the level above the range, and it shot back down, activated the sell stops, and now it pushed right back up again. And we have 3 minutes left before a 50-minute close here. But again, I still feel strongly about the setup, as the EMA right here got tapped 5 times. Now this time around, if it does come back down, I think it can break through that EMA. Of course, that's if it comes down. And again, it's going to be a very interesting 5-minute and 15-minute close here before London opening here. So again, if I'm expecting movement, I'm expecting movement before London opening here, so we can get that full push all the way down here. Can that happen? We'll have to wait and see. But I do believe that it can come down. Even on the 30-minute, you can see that there's just a lot of wicks above, and the engulfing ends are definitely below in the profit territory for this short position. So here it is. Again, slight profit here. Barely breaking at the break-even level. Here it comes. Again, this time if it does come down, I'm looking for GJ to break that 5-minute EMA this time. Again, it has tapped too many times here. Every time it gets weaker and weaker. I think this time it'll break, right? And it's in a good timely manner as well, right? Because now we got London opening coming up very soon, and then we also have a 15-minute close coming up as well. And here's that push. Again, if you're a part of the mentorship group, you got the exact TP2 level as well. So that's, if you let runners run as well. But nonetheless, the 1-to-1 is what I display here on YouTube. And Look at that push, guys. Look at that push. Look at that. Beautiful push. Again, this time it could break it. We got 2 minutes left before the 5-minute close. And look at that, guys. A beautiful, beautiful setup here. Clean call. We got the level where we wanted the price to reach. And right after that, guys, boom. We had a new candle. Came right to that level again. And look at it go, guys. Look at it go. Look at it go. Beautiful setup here. Again, it is respecting the 5-minute EMA. But again, I mentioned to you guys, it's the 6th time now in as many as 7 candles. 7 5-minute candles. The 6th time reaching that 5-minute EMA is definitely very weak. And went down to 13 pips, so more than halfway into profit here. So if you want to secure something here, you know what you know what to do here. And I'll look to see with the new 5-minute and 50-minute candle here what I would like to do. But I like this beautiful push here, and I do feel it's going to come right down. Again, if you're part of the mentorship group, again, you got sent the exact TP2 level as well in the chat. But a beautiful push, guys. Look at this. And again, it broke below. Look at this 5-minute candle. It broke below the EMA. I told you guys, very weak EMA right there. And boom, look at that, guys. Look at that push. Look at that push. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go. Easy does it. Easy does it. Look at it go. What a beautiful push here. Okay, I had to get out my stops. Ooh, backwards. Okay. Closed here. Okay, nice. And guys, this is where I set my stops at not break even, but in profit. So I'm going to adjust this right here. And looking at 179. What is it? 175 right here. So stops in profit. Is the trade always 1-to-1? No, I already explained that. If you're part of the mentorship group, you'll realize that I do send off-stream setups as well. Sometimes we capture 1-to-2. Even this setup right now is a 1-to-2, 1-to-3. And I have shared the 1-to-2 setup at least because I feel we can get there at least. But I don't share the 1-to-2 setups on YouTube. I only share 1-to-1 on YouTube. But beyond that, yes, majority will be 1-to-1. But when we do capture the larger ranges, there's going to be 1-to-2, 1-to-3, and 1-to-4 setups as well, which have been captured by many members as well. And that's about it. But a beautiful push, guys. Beautiful push. Here it goes. Wanted to secure a payoff the funded account. Nice. There you go. Perfect. Excited to see that payout. All right, and you just kind of push right back here, guys. Might get tapped out here. Yep. Got tapped out here, guys. Okay. So this is why, again, you got to secure. You got to secure here. Look at this. It went down into about 18 pips. So again, right call for all the members that did close out here, and all the viewers on YouTube as well. If you close out here, partials, close out in profit here, you secured this win. All right, look at it go. Look at it go right before London opening here. So a beautiful win nonetheless. Again, some members captured more, some captured less. But again, a common rule is that once it gets to a level where GJ has broken within the short or long position, we're not going to allow it to come back into drawdown, right? Or not even break even. So yeah, amazing push there. And closed out and passed phase 2 of my challenge. Wow. So again, shout out to Dean. Again, every day we're shouting out somebody from the mentorship group now. Dean has just passed phase 2 of his challenge, and so congrats to you. He is a funded trader now as well. So again, if you guys follow my socials, I do share, the mentorship members' success and, all the results as well. So do follow my socials to see, the actual results. These are real members, real results, and real journeys that these traders are going on within the mentorship as well. So yes, congrats, Dean. I'm loving this, guys. I'm shouting out different members, passing challenges, becoming funded traders, and we're winning. And what can you say? What can you say? All right, guys. So that was the win for today. So we still secured another win. So the winning streak continues on YouTube. We got 1 day left. Again, I only share one setup, a 1-to-1 risk to reward on YouTube. For more, you guys got to get onto mentorship. Again, I have to bring more value there. Initially, again, if you guys have been following me, you guys know that I've been doing 5, 6, 7, 8 hour streams on YouTube before I started the mentorship. I started the mentorship about 3 weeks ago, and the amount of results are just overwhelming. And I'm all for it, and I'm loving just all the results pouring in right now, right? Yep. But guys, that's it for me. We secured here. Again, it did come down about, 18 plus pips. Again, some members captured 16, 15, 16, 17 pips. I got my 5 pips out of this setup. I'm okay with one small win here, and the rest of the stream is going to continue on Zoom, guys. Again, if you're interested, the link is in the description. But for now, I will be heading off to Zoom stream with all the mentorship members. So again, take care. Safe trading as always. And I will be back here tomorrow to end off the last day of the trading week. And again, take care, guys.